What is good? What is good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I'm back at you with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be installing the ARP extended lug studs on my car. So, this video was filmed a while ago, like a bunch of my videos coming out are going to be, but I'm going to be bringing you guys new content here pretty soon, too. I'm just trying to get through all the old stuff that I had, and, I'm going to hop into the video right now, and then I'll catch you at the end of the video. What is up, everybody? So today I'm going to be installing the ARP extended wheel studs on my 13 5.0. I already have them. I have one of the fronts done right here. I have to get new lug nuts because these lug nuts don't fit because they're extended, so those lug nuts are small. And then doing this side right now, which I'll show you how to do. And then I already have this side done. As you can see, all 5 of them are in. They're flush, if you can see behind. Super easy on the back. I thought it was going to be a lot more difficult. Front, super easy. Only thing I can't do is this one right now, this front one, because I got hit by somebody a while back, and the body shop decided to replace the front hub with an aftermarket one, so the ARP studs don't fit in that one. So I have to get the OEM hub for this one, which is not too bad. But so I have this side done, that side over there, and I'm going to show you how to be doing this side right here. It's pretty simple. So just take off the wheel. I'm not going to show you how to do that. Simple. So once I get the wheel off, I'll show you how to get the caliper and the rotor off. Pretty simple, straightforward. Hardest part about this is getting the old wheel studs out. Okay, so I have the wheel off. To get the rotor off, there's 2 15mm bolts, one here, and then there's one at the bottom too. I can't really show you. One right here, if you can see it. You just gotta get those 2 bolts off, and the rotor will pull off the caliper will pull off the rotor. And then some cars will have like 2 little bolts somewhere on the rotor. Mine doesn't. Mine just pulls off. Super easy. And then I just have a hammer right here, so just hammer these out. And then let's see, there is like a little, I'll show you when I have the rotor off, but it's pretty simple to get these out and the extended ones in. I was worried it was going to be hard, but it's not. And I do have some makeshift earplugs, because it gets super loud when you hammer these out, and not trying to mess up my hearing, but I'll show you once I get the caliper and the rotor off what it looks like and how to do it. Okay, so I do have the caliper and the rotor off. I'm holding the rotor up with the jack stand that goes with your car. But so to get these out, you just hammer right here. Some people put a bolt right here, but I did that and the bolt got hammered so much I had to cut the old stud in half to get it off. But they just pop out right here. And the cool thing about these, because that's you barely have any room right here to get studs in, but this hole right here, I don't know if you can see it, there's a hole right here. You could actually slide the extended studs through, and if you line this hole up with that, it lines up perfect, and you can just slide them through. And then I'll show you how to put these on once I get them. But so there's just 2 15mm bolts holding this on to right here. They're one right here and one right here. Get that off, you just slide the caliper off the rotor. You'll have to maybe wiggle it a little, just take the rotor off, simple. And then just hammer these out, and like I said, to get some earplugs or something, because it gets loud. So I'll show you the process. I'm gonna get these out. I'm gonna take all 5 out, then put those in, so I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to do this. I already got all 5 out. Simple, get them out, just hammer them, like I said. But getting these in is a lot easier. So, and then the cool thing is there's this hole right here. Like I was saying earlier, you just rotate this, line it up with that hole, and then just take the bolt and fish it through the hole. There's a better way. Fish it through the hole and then just line it up right here. And then it has that little groove on the side, so you could get it past the speed sensor, and you just make sure it's like flush in there as tight as you can. And then I'm gonna take these washers and move them over to this one because I already got these two in. So let me show you real quick. The tool, it's like $20-30 to do this, but I like doing it with the washers better because it's cheaper, and in my opinion it's better. So show you that, and then just get a lug nut after you put the washers on and tighten the lug nut down by hand first. I got it hand tight, so washers aren't moving, this isn't moving back here. And then all you want to do is get an impact gun. Yes, impact, don't use a wrench or anything, you want to impact, and then just you'll impact it on and watch that, and when it lines up flush like the other ones, that's when you stop. So here we go. And done. So it's flush, and then you just take the lug nut off and repeat the steps. It's easy. I'll show you once I'm done. Already got 3 of them on, and you can see all 3 of them are flush, lined up. And the thing is, I have these cheap Acorn lug nuts that I've used on the old ones. I hate these things. They rust. They're super, I don't like them at all. And then for wheel locks, I have good McGuard ones, but with the extended ones, you won't be able to use those anymore because you have a lot more thread pitch. So you'll have to get the extended lug nuts to fit on them. So I have those coming in today. I have the open-ended ones so you can see this, but I'll show you when I'm done with the whole thing. Alright, so I got all 5 on there. They're all flush. Just put the rotors back on. Put the bolts back in the caliper, and I would suggest when you put the bolts back in the caliper, have it over here, use blue Loctite, not red. Do not use red because that's permanent. Loctite, use blue, which is not permanent. It's removable, but it just keeps the bolts in better. So I'm gonna put the rotors back, the calipers back on, and then I can't put the wheels on until I get my lug nuts because don't have the extended lug nuts. They'll be in later today, but I'll show you what it looks like with the rotors and calipers back on when I'm done. Alright, so I got them all installed. Rotors are on, and they look good. And that's that side. And then, like I said, for this driver or passenger front side, I'm going to have to get a new tube because I got hit a while back. Insurance was a pain to deal with, and they decided to go with an aftermarket hub for this. So I was losing my mind trying to put the ARP wheel studs in here. I don't have this set of ARP wheel studs for this side because when I ordered them all, they only had one front in stock. So I gotta wait till they get these back. And once they do, I'll order the hub. And then once I get the hub, I'll show you guys how to put a new hub in, just in case you're wondering. If you've made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you. You know, please subscribe, like, comment if you would. And like I was saying earlier in the video, that the passenger front hub needed to be replaced, and as you can see, it's replaced now because I do have the ARP extended lug studs on it, and I have the open face lug nuts, the extended lug nuts, and definitely worth the money and the time to install them. They don't really take long at all. And I know in the video I said I was going to show you how to do the front, but there's no point to show you how to do the front when I showed you how to do the back, because the front's even easier. So seeing how the back is done, you'll be able to do the front no issue. And you know, I definitely say they're worth it. They look good. The only issue is I can't find any extended lug nuts that are like locking lug nuts for the wheels, so you know they don't get stolen. But thankfully the car sits in the garage most of the year. I hardly ever drive it anymore, but you know, this is how the back looks. You know, the lug nuts stick out a little further because it doesn't concave in as much right here, but you know what I'm saying. Thank you for making it this far into the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.